Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of the 4th of July coming up, I want to show you how to draw cartoon Uncle Sam. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Uncle Sam, we're going to begin with the face. So we're going to begin right here, and you just want to make a nice smile face for the head. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that comes right across the top. Starting here, we're going to draw a half circle for an ear, and then you want to do that same thing on the other side. Now, inside of here, we're going to make the face. I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for an eye. We're going to leave some space, and then I'll draw another circle for an eye over here. Then I'm going to put a little black dot inside each one for the pupils. Then I'm going to make a little C shape for the nose, or backwards C shape. Right here, I'm going to make a line that comes across for the mouth, and a line that's going to come up and down for some nice big smiley face. Then we'll draw a little sad face right here for the tongue, and I like to color in this part just to show where the mouth is. Starting here, I'm going to make a little diagonal line above each eye. I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down for the eyebrows. So we'll go up and then down, kind of like a little triangle shape. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve out on each side to start the hair. Make a line that's going to come in. Then we're going to go out and then in again. So we'll come out and in. Starting here, I'm going to make a nice, long, skinny oval shape around here for the hat. We're going to make two lines that are going to come up, and another little line that comes across here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out on each side. And you can see they kind of come out. They don't just go straight up. Then we're going to make a nice big curved line at the top. Inside of here, I'm going to make a curved line. Next, we just want to add a few stripes along the top of here. Now right here, we want to give him his famous little goatee. So I'm going to draw a little line that comes down on each side. Then I'm just going to make a few pointy lines here for his goatee. Now, starting right here, for his bow tie, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to go down and up. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out, down, and then up. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down onto the top of the bow tie. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down on each side. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and then down, and a little line that's going to come straight up. Right here, let's make a line that's going to go out and then in with a point. Do the same thing here, out and in. Then right here, we're going to come out and then right to here. So we're going to go out and then right to there. Next, I'm going to draw these lines down a little bit longer. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and then up. So we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out. We're going to go down and then up. Starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that are going to come down. Then I'm just going to connect them with a little curved line. Make a line that's going to come up for the legs, and then a little curved line right here. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come up. And another one here, it's going to go out and come up here. I'll make another little curved line underneath here, and one right here for the bottom of the shoes. Starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and then back in for the arm. Same thing over here. We're going to go out, down, and then come back in. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve right here for a finger or thumb. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and it's going to come up here. And a little line to here. We'll just bring it all the way up here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down for a thumb. And a little line that's going to go out and then come back. Right here, we want them to be holding a flag. So let's draw a little line that's going to come down. Make it go a little higher. I'll add a little circle on top of here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down and then up. And another one that's going to go up and then over. With a little line down here. And right here we're going to make a little kind of square shape. And there you go. There is your drawing of Uncle Sam. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.